All right, guys, this is News Listener by Angelo, and today is May 28, 2025. Thank you po sa mga makikinig. At if hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe, please subscribe to support this channel. So, salamat po. Pag-usapan naman natin yung nangyaring recent na nangyari sa dagat sa West Philippine Sea at halos nasira at binangga ng Chinese Coast Guard ang Philippine vessel natin, yung mga research vessels natin na pupunta sa Sandy Cay, okay? And just yesterday, yung China nagpalabas ng statement na yung Pilipinas ay nagva-violate ng 2002 Declaration of Parties in the South China Sea. Okay? O, bakit daw? Yan ang pag-uusapan natin. At let's start with the information galing sa Newswatch Plus Philippines. Okay? Isa to sa mga um, news organization sa ating bansa. At the reason why yung China nagsabi ng violate daw natin yung Declaration of Conduct kasi daw pumunta daw yung ating mga research personnel sa isang parte na kanilang teritoryo. Well, for your information, yung teritoryo ay actually sa atin po yun. Okay? Sabi dito, Beijing claims that the future part of its territory and warns against further action. Now, our government, expressed grave concern, aggressive actions, and unlawful interference of China Coast Guard in the West Philippine Sea. Chinese embassy in Manila since last January, Philippines have conducted 27 unauthorized landing involving 167 personnel on inhabited features of South China Sea. In this regard, on strong protest of representation from Chinese side. And alam naman natin, hindi nila kinoconsider yung pagkapanalo natin dun sa UNCLOS, di ba? Now, so parang, parang ginagawa tayong tanga yung, anong tawag yung gaslighting? Siyempre, yung teritoryo natin is pasok doon. Hindi tayo lumalabas sa exclusive economic zone ng bansa natin. Okay. Now, bakit sinabi nila dito yung 2002 Declaration of Conduct Parties in the South China Sea? Pag-usapan natin yan. Also, punta tayo sa ASEAN.org. Okay, papakita ko sa inyo yung Declaration of the Conduct of Parties in South China Sea. At yung mga important details lang yung titignan natin at kung bakit hindi tayo ang aggressor, kundi sila. Okay? Ito, paipapakita ko to. Galing to sa Association of Southeast Asian Nations or ASEAN. Okay, ito yung Declaration of Conduct Parties in the South Chinese Sea. Okay? So, punta tayo sa ilalim. Okay. So, yung ASEAN, Southeast Asians yun. Okay? And including yung South China sa declaration na ito. So, sabi dito, cognizant of the need to promote a peaceful, friendly, harmonious environment in the South China Sea between ASEAN and China to enhance peace, stability, economic growth, and prosperity in the region. So 2002 ito. Okay, so time ata ito ni Gloria ata. Okay. So punta tayo. So sabi nila, 'di ba? Peace and stability, economic growth. So dapat 'yun ang ang mangyari sa region ng South China Sea. Okay? Now, punta tayo sa dito. So, number 4. uh, parties concerned undertake resolve their territorial and jurisdictional dispute by peaceful means. Okay? So ginagawa po natin yung always yung peaceful means. Hindi po tayo nagbobomba ng water cannon, 'di ba? Okay, sila yung gumagawa nun without resorting threat or use of force. So sino po yung nanaksak ng rubber boat, halos banggain at sirain yung ating mga Coast Guard vessels, 'di ba? Hindi po tayo 'yon. Yung China po 'yon. Okay? And through a friendly consultation and negotiation by sovereign states directly concerned, okay, and in accordance to the universally recognized principle international law, including the 1982 UN Conventional Law of the Sea, which UNCLOS. Nanalo po tayo sa korte ng UNCLOS, tinalo natin yung China, and ginagawa natin ang lahat para lang friendly at proper negotiation sa table, di ba? Pero yung China, hindi nila sinusunod yun. So, sino po yung gumagawa ng dahas, okay, at pangharas ng ating mga mangingisda at ating mga Coast Guard doon sa West Philippine Sea? Kung talagang sa kanila yon, di ba? Sana, umarap sila doon sa korte at pinaglaban nila. Kaso nga lang, hindi nila nire-recognize ang isang international law which yung UN Convention of Law of Sea. Okay? So that's it. Yan ang declaration. Kung gusto nyo to know more, okay, punta kayo dun sa ASEAN, search nyo Declaration of Conduct Parties in South China Sea. Okay, there will be more information here. Okay? At yung mga bansa, Brunei, yan in China, Cambodia, Republic of Indonesia, Laos, Malaysia, Myanmar, Philippines, Thailand, and Vietnam. Okay? So, wag pa tayong magpabudol at piliin natin at dapat nga yung mga tao sa gobyerno align sa ating interest, hindi yung interest ng ibang bansa. Katulad ng mga maka-China dyan. Alright, so thank you for watching. This is news listener, and please like, comment, subscribe to support this channel. Thank you po, and see you next time.